Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver from the manufacturer to do a review. So let's open it up, look at its features, hook it up, and give it a try. Okay, looks like it's packaged very well. Comes with this little tray. This is kind of a quick start guide. Here's a user manual. And this is model TR300. And the output pixels is 1080p. Okay, here's a transmitter and receiver. If you look closely, this says transmitter on one side. Not sure if you can read that. And then the other one is marked receiver. Also, you have on the HDMI, you have RX for receiver and TX for transmitter. So it's on the receiver as well as the transmitter on each end. So on the side you have a USB Type-C port for charging the receiver as well as a transmitter. You have a pairing or reset button here if it doesn't connect up. See what else is in the box. Okay, it has a box of accessories. Okay, it came with several items. A couple of adapters from HDMI to Type-C adapters. Another cable with USB-A to USB-C. Here's a HDMI receiver, male and female cable. So let's get it all connected together with my MacBook Pro and hook that up to our TV monitors. Okay, I used the HDMI cable that was provided, the female end and the male end. I connected the HDMI male end into HDMI number 2 on the monitor. And then I'll connect the receiver marked RX into the port of the extension here. Then on the side, I'm going to use this Type-C connector into the charging point to give it power. And then I'll use the other end with my AC adapter. Plug that into the AC outlet for power. Now hopefully you can see it's lit up on. Okay, I'm going to connect the transmitter labeled TX into my HDMI adapter that goes to a USB-C for my MacBook Pro. I'm going to connect that. Okay, I got everything connected, and you can see this is flashing with the signal. Okay, then on your HDMI TV, you want to select what port it is in. Not reflecting on my monitor yet. Let me hit the pair button. Okay, in this case, you probably have to go into your systems on the computer and select screen mirroring. And now you can see it mirror imaging as my laptop. So in reviewing my connection, I connected the receiver to the HDMI port on the back of the TV, also the USB Type-C power source to an electrical outlet, and then I connected the transmitter to my laptop and made sure my laptop had enough power on that, and tried pressing the pairing, and that didn't display on my monitor. So I had to go into the settings of my laptop and select the display and then check the box that had mirror image of my laptop to the monitor, and that worked. So you can see there's a mirror image, no latency on things moving around on the computer. So this would be an excellent tool for meetings, displaying from a computer to a large screen monitor. So this wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit was very easy to hook up. According to the user manual, they will transmit up to 98 feet, so that's a good distance to transfer information or display information from your computer source to your monitor. If the communication is not immediately connected, then you can press these reset or pairing buttons on the side, or in my case, I had to go into the computer display settings on my computer and check the mirror image function. So overall, I'm very impressed with the HDMI transmitter and receiver kit. I like the fact that it comes with additional cables that you can use and some additional adapter choices that you can make your connections easily to your specific computer. According to the user manual, they will transmit and receive up to 98 feet, so that's a good distance that you can utilize from your computer source to your large screen monitor. So I highly recommend these HDMI transmitter and receiver kits.